begin with the chapter 4, Childhood, okay, by Marcus Nathan. So the theme, central idea of the poem is, in the poem, the poet thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood. Childhood is a stage of innocence in which the child believes other and loves unconditionally. The poet has tried to identify some stages of his life when his thoughts and perception of the world changed. The poem describes the first step to maturity or the loss of childhood, when one is able to think logically and rationally, forming one's own opinion and not getting influenced by others, and is also a sign of maturity or loss of childhood. The poem also hints at the hypocrisy prevalent in our society, where people pretend to be nice to each other, but in reality they do not like each other. So, what is the central idea of this poem? About the poet's childhood and memories with it, and the hypocrisy of the world as she grows up. Okay. Uh, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11, or was it the time I realized the hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that that day? So the poet Marcus Nathan is wondering when he had lost his innocence or childhood. When must be he was 11 years old, or when he was growing up he realized there is a concept of hell and heaven. Okay, or was it a geography class that he might gained his rationality? Okay, or by his education. So stanza 2 is, when did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all that seems to be? They talked of love and preached of love, did not act so lovingly. Was that day? So he is asking continuously to himself, was he when he lost his innocence, when he was, or lost his childhood, as is synonym, childhood is synonym to innocence. Okay, was it when he was 11? When was it he was growing up, he knew the concept of hell and heaven? Or was it he studied geography and education made him more rational? Or was it he realized that adults means grown up people who taught about love, appreciation, but actually never practiced those, as hypocrisy of people actually came out? Okay, when like seemed means appeared, preached means taught, act means behave lovingly with compassion or love for others. Okay, because there is always a double standard. Okay, because human pitch love, appreciation, but actually there is jealousy, enviness. Okay, which also is negative trait of human being. There is argument, violence, discordness. Okay, these are the negative traits of human which they never preach. Their behavior was a far cry from the love of surmised about, of advocates so relevant to the child. Perhaps, says the poet, recognizing broken trust was a major step towards childhood. So broken trust is also, that was maybe the major step that he became an adult. Okay, growing up, he became easily adult growing up, because maybe he had a trust issues and his trust was broken as a child. Okay, the author is telling us. Now stanza 3. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever was way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of others, but my own, my alone? Was that the day? So he's telling that he's constantly asking questions to himself, that was it he lost his childhood when he thought that, oh, I have a brain, I have a mind of my own, I have a sense of my own, I have individuality of my own, that I can think independently for myself. Okay, and not on the dictates of others. Okay, not on the orders or the commands of the others. I can take my own decisions, I have my opinion, I have my independence. Okay, I can lead my life in my terms, in my way. Okay, was it that time he lost his childhood? Is questioning himself. Okay, so see the meaning here. Really mine means when not influenced by others' opinion. Whichever means any. Producing means creating. Thoughts means view, opinions coming from poet's mind. So there is stanza 4. Okay, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place. That's hidden in an infant's face, that's all I know. So he is again questioning himself in stanza 4 that. So he changes the question in that. Now he's wondering where his childhood has actually gone. So he reflects that maybe his childhood has gone to unremembered place, the places he don't remember anymore. There his childhood is lost. Or the poet also says that childhood can be found in innocent face of a child who does not have any pretensions and rationality and who trusts others unconditionally. Or he's answering himself that where is his childhood go? Okay, is it in a child of innocence, innocent child's face, that because that child is still pure and not had been uh, adultered, okay, adult, and he's not pretends, he just love unconditionally other and trust others, okay, not judged, not that child doesn't judge, that child is not rational law, okay, where it went to that child he's questioning. In other words, a small child is full of innocence and there one can find one's own childhood. So when see the parents sees the child, their children, okay, their daughter, son, they see their own childhood. So the, in other word, he's saying small child is always full of innocence, love, okay. So one parents or grandparents see their own in childhood in them, like that, okay. So here are the poetic devices. What are the poetic devices? Alliteration is a figure of speech. So having the same consonant sounds. Here see hell and heaven, HH. Uh, that day, my mind. So TT, okay, MM, my mind. Whichever way it is. All these words combined are used in this poem. So there's come antithesis. The figure of speech refers to the place of opposing or contrasting ideas. So consonants means H, okay, T, M, those are called consonants, and vowels means A, E, I, O, U. So yeah, here is antithesis means contrasting ideas, okay, like between two ideas add interest to writing. It seems used. So hell and heaven is two contrasting ideas, okay. So another poetic device is or figure of speech is enjambment. The figure of speech refers to the practicing of running lines of the poetry from one to the next without using any kind of punctuation to indicate, means punctuation means comma, okay, full stop, to indicate a stop. The example is second line of the second stanza. So these are the poetic devices, and the chapter is complete.